So today now we're repairing this ram. As you can see, the thread's totally sheared off. It's for a muck grab. Basically, when you have this one's most likely to hit something. So have a male adapter, cut one end off, and I'll cut this off flush and then weld that back on. So I have the ram right in now. So the actual piston itself inside here, the seals are back here out the way. So the heat over here won't get to these. I'll have to watch I don't put too much heat for the seals here then again, but one thing's less anyway. So that's this job done with. New pipe as well. As you see, the front one here sticks up more on the front here, so it's the one that does get damaged really if something falls back or you lift it up too high for against a tree or something. So these are ones that do go overly.